Welcome to QuickHub. In this video, we'll show you how to accept an invitation, activate your account, and check your invited business, all in just a few easy steps. Start by opening the invitation link you received. You'll be directed to the QuickHub Activate Account page. Click Update New SMS to receive your verification code. Once you get the 6-digit code, enter it carefully and click Confirm. Now, create your password. Enter your new password, then click Confirm and Next to continue. Once your account is activated, it's time to sign in. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In. After logging in, select your business and open Manage User to view user details. Next, let's verify the invited business from another tab. Log out from your current QuickHub account. Then, enter your email and password again and click Sign In. Open the business drop-down at the top and select the business you were invited to. Now, go to Manage User again, and you'll see the user details for that business right here. And that's it. You've successfully accepted your QuickHub invitation and confirmed your access to the invited business. Stay tuned for more quick tutorials to help you get the most out of QuickHub.